Hi, welcome everyone to this basic web design by Technocracy. I'm one of your instructors on this course. In order not to waste your time, so I know that you are very busy. What is our web design? Web design is the art of planning and arranging content on a website so that it can be shared and accessed online within the world. So what it means is I have a particular file, a particular content. A content either is a music, a video, or a text message. I have it on my system. So by linking it together, so anybody anywhere in the world can access it. That is what the website is. So if I'm United States, I can access any website that is being designed in India. If I'm United Kingdom, I can access any website that is being designed in Nigeria. So technically speaking, every website has two parts. There is front end and there is back end. So the front end is where you see what you see in your browser. When you open your browser, whatever you see there is the front end. For example, let me open the company website. So I show you what the front view look like and then what the back end looks like. Okay, so it's loading. So the front end is where you see the tab, so many other things that you see. Either you are using a mobile phone or you are using a laptop or any gadget, whatever you see that you can access, that's the front view. That is where the user see you. While the back end is where the programmer, the engineer is working on. The back end, it's behind the scene. It's majorly about storing files and database and providing it to the front end for user to view and perform some action. So technically speaking, website development takes into three categories. I don't know why our other website is taking long to load, so let me open another one. Okay, this one is there. So this is what we mean by the front view, where your users, you can see, you can navigate, you can scroll down to the button and perform so many actions that you think. The more you are performing the action, this is getting all this thing from the back end where the engineer is working on. So as I was saying before I open this website, so the website development jobs fall into three categories. Well, we have front end, we have back end, then we have full stack. The front end developer, they make use of HTML, they make use of JavaScript and CSS. While the back end makes use of so many basic tools that is beyond the concept of this course. So we will stick to what we have, to what we want to do, which is just basic web design. So we will talk about HTML, CSS, and a few about JavaScript. Now, web design, for you to start designing a website, you need some tools. What are the tools that you need? You will need a text editor. You will need a text editor, you will need a browser, probably a Chrome, then you need your computer system. So I would recommend you to make use of a browser which is Google Chrome, then a text editor. The text editor that I will advise you to use is Feature Studio. Just go to Google, type Feature Studio text editor. That's it. Feature Studio code of Feature Studio Text Editor. You can download it. This is it. It's simple. This is it. Simple. And some other people make use of Sublime there, but I prefer to use Feature Studio because it has a lot of features and needs. So once you have your computer and system ready, your browser and your Feature Studio, then we can start talking about web design. So this will be the end of this course today. See you next time.